You go for this. I know it's $700 a year, but follow me. It's expensive.
Oh, you're going to have to lead me somewhere good because $700 a year. Okay.
You want to do that because you don't have a loyalty. You're flying non-rev. Mm-hmm. You're staying in Airbnbs. Mm-hmm. The Amex Platinum does not have an international transaction fee.
Okay.
There are certain countries that love it and there's certain countries that don't. But it has a really good transfer 1-for-1 as well for like, say you wanted to stay here. They also give you a $200 a year airline credit.
Okay.
So if you got on a non-rev and you don't check bags because you see carry on, but if you were ever to check a bag, mm-hmm. buy food or whatever, you swipe the card, they'll give you that money back.
Up to $200 a year. That's pretty nice.
However, the thing about that I learned was you do need to, you identify which airline you're flying and it only applies to that particular airline. I thought that was like a
well, given that I'm not a loyalty person, that one's going to be harder to meet. Okay.
They give you this is one of my favorite features of the card. Mm-hmm. You get $20 a month, $240 a year mm-hmm. entertainment credit.
Nice.
So I have Disney Plus, which is Disney, Hulu, ESPN. Mm-hmm. It charges $20. I get the $20 back. So essentially I have Disney Plus, Disney, Hulu, ESPN, not Hulu Live, but just Hulu. No commercials. For free.
Makes a difference. Yeah.
You get gold status automatically because you have this card with Marriott, Hilton, Enterprise, Avis, and
I'm going to be a total novice. What does gold status give you with those?
Gold status gives you late checkout.
Okay.
Upgraded rooms.
Oh, okay.
Better views. It gives you a complimentary drink, mm-hmm. depending on the hotel, right? So if you book a suite and if they have it available, they'll upgrade you. The checkout now is crazy. Like checkout is at 10 o'clock in the morning now. So to have a 12 o'clock checkout, but no, mm-hmm. it's like 2 o'clock. It used to give you like a 4 o'clock checkout, but
my gosh.
Yeah, now it's 2. Those things for cars, it upgrades you to a larger size car. You get to walk straight through. You don't have to go to the desk.
Okay.
You just go to the car, pick up your keys and you go. Like the locations that have that, larger cars and then just better coverage. The credit card also comes with, which so does maybe Chase. It comes with rental car coverage.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yes.
Okay. Travel insurance?
It has travel insurance as well. So, but the travel insurance only works if you book the ticket on that card.
Okay.
The rental car only works if you book the rental car on that card.
That makes sense.
But it's great. And it also has like a medical insurance, a travel medical insurance as well.
Nice. Okay. If you put all that together, wait, don't they give you like your clear?
So you get clear.
Mm-hmm.
They give you the clear money back. So that's $179. So clear is free. You get global entry, $100 mm-hmm. credit every 5 years. So global entry is free.
Nice.
And you get TSA. Well, TSA pre-check comes with global entry.
Okay.
But so I think it's totally worth it. Plus one of the other really, really good things is it comes with American Sensorial Lounge access.
Nice.
And you can bring in a guest because remember I brought you in free.
And I will say the idea of being able to go in and get food and like some drinks, not alcoholic beverage. Is it alcoholic beverage?
I think you have to pay for the alcoholic beverage. Maybe that's wine is free. No, wine is free. I don't know. I was at the British Airways, mm-hmm. super caveat. I was at the British Airways lounge mm-hmm. in London, mm-hmm. flying through. All the alcohol was free. They had a wine bar, they had a champagne bar, and then they had like top shelf liquor that was there.
Okay. So if you think about how much money you'd save at the airport, not mm-hmm. buying $9 mm-hmm. bottles of water mm-hmm. and like $15 bags of Chex Mix.
Yes. It's worth it because I go in there and I grab a quick bite. Not the best. Sometimes it's really good food. The Centurion Lounge is good food. The British Airways Lounge is good food. If you go and you get free priority pass, which means you have access to like 4,000 lounges globally.
Okay.
And pretty much every lounge is on priority pass.
So if you manage to use every feature that you just said, that is definitely $700 value.
Exactly. Plus. It pays for itself. You just have to be committed to the ecosystem.
Yeah, but if you're not going to use all of those, then
I wouldn't recommend it.
Okay.
But for you travel. Priority Pass, Centurium Lounge, because they have showers and things if you ever were to get stuck. And it just works for itself. It just pays for itself.
So that is the card. I'm not saying that's the card for me, but that's the card for someone like me who does not have loyalty to a specific airline. Yes. But it still allows you to like look for deals.
Right. Chase Sapphire Preferred, Apple Card, and the American Express Platinum. Links are all below.